We've received our first shipment of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines in the state of Tennessee. Now local hospitals are preparing for distribution. Our Karen Aguilar tells us when that should happen and who will receive them. Karen.
Greg, this vaccine distribution has been a long time coming, and yet hospital officials say we've been hit with some delays.
Our intent is to vaccinate as many people in our community as fast as we can. We are anticipating that hospitals will have vaccines for their staff this week.
First responders being a part of the first phase of distribution.
There are 6 right now.
Local hospitals such as Erlanger say they will be distributing vaccines to staff this week. As for others, there are delays. The CEO of Tenova Healthcare sent this email to staff saying they will not receive the first round of Pfizer vaccine, to which officials responded. At this time, we anticipate delivery of the vaccine to our facility after the Christmas holiday, though the situation remains very fluid. The governor's office was contacted as to why there was a delay in shipments, and we have not heard back. The first shipment arriving in the state, 975 doses, was saved as a backup supply.
If something happens to one of those shipments en route to the hospital, then the reserve one is for use to replace for that hospital.
4 area hospitals, Park Ridge, Chi Memorial, Erlanger, and Tenova Healthcare told Channel 3 taking the vaccine is optional, even though flu shots are mandatory in most hospitals.
With the unknown and just making sure that this is offered to everybody as something that is an additional tool to help protect them, it was just felt that it was not appropriate at this point in time for it to be a mandatory requirement for our healthcare workers.
Governor Bill Lee also says the distribution of the Pfizer vaccine will also not be mandatory for K-12 schools. Live in the studio, Karen Aguilar, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.